wheel so that I have more access. Use a 17mm socket, take these lug bolts out. When you get to the last one, just hold the wheel on. And grab the wheel and slide it off. There's a bolt right here. Use a T30 socket, take that bolt out. There may be another bolt over here. Take that one out as well. It should be the same size. There's all these push clips around the inner fender well. I'm going to take those out. Sometimes you can use a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the center part, and then just use a trim tool and pop out the rest. Take all those out. Take these out next. Here. Take this one out underneath here, just the same way. And then there is a 10mm nut here. It's just a plastic nut. You want to take that off. Just using a 10mm socket. You can slide that off the stud. Grab the inner fender well. Slide it down. And out of the way. Disconnect the connector right here. Just push down on the tab. Slide it out like that. There's two fasteners right here. Just use a 10mm socket. Take those out. And take the other one out. Take those out. And grab the light assembly, and it slides right out. If you want to replace the bulb, just grab the socket, twist to the left, slide it out, grab the bulb, and it slides right out. This is a 194 bulb. Just slide it back in the same way. Slide the socket in and twist to the right. Lock it down. That's good. Now we can slide this back in the same way it came out. Just like that. Take the fasteners, get those started. You just twist them in kind of like a nut. And just gently snug these up. Not too tight. It's just to hold it. That's good. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Now I take this inner fender well and line it up. Now I take all the push pins and just go around and push those in place. Kind of push them in a little bit. You can twist them a little, makes it a little easier. Just put those all back. Put this plastic nut back in place. Snug that down. And this bolt goes right here. Snug that down, and if you had another bolt, put that in. And you can repeat the procedure for the other side. Put the wheel on, line it up. Put the lug bolts in. Now I'm going to torque the lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds in a cross pattern to tighten the wheel down evenly.